Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a user to your organization in make.com. Alright, so first up, log in with your account. Now go ahead over to the left panel and click on organization. Okay, just wait for it to load. Now under that organization, go ahead and go to these tabs and click on users. Just click on it. And here, as you can see, you are at least the person in this list. Alright, so we would like to invite a new user. So to do so, just click on the plus sign right here at the top left, invite a new user, click on it. Then you're going to want to put the email right here. All right, for example, this email right here. Okay, then I'm going to put the role. There will be a drop down. Just click on it. It could be an admin, member, accountant, or app developer. All right, for example, I'm just going to select a member, just like that. Teams, under my team, the note, please accept within 24 hours, just like that, and hit on save. Wait for it to load. As you can see here, the person is in the list, but it has a pending invitation. Now I'm going to go ahead and log in with this account right here. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and open up the email right here. As you can see, the person you invited should receive the same exact email, right? So as you build and collaborate with Ryan Christian. Ryan Christian is me. This person has invited you to join the organization and make as a member. Notes, please accept within 24 hours. All right. So he or she is just going to click on accept invitation. And here it says you're signed in. Just go ahead and click on continue to make. Wait for it to load. Now when we check on users right here, as you can see, we have the owner and the member, which is this account. When we check the other account or the main account right here, I'm going to refresh the page. Now once it loads, as you can see here, we just added a new, and that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.